Hello, good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Let's see the details of this 8x8. Especially, it's a main all-metal cabin and metal chassis, 8x8 steel bucket. So for this main cabin, yeah, it's have many details, very beautiful. So first we have some plastic parts for this main cabin. This black, also the white, this plate, the wiper, forward main, this black plate, and also the mirror and left side this air intake filter, they are plastic. Inside decoration are plastic, but the main body of this cabin is all CNC alloy. So the door, we can open it, and also from the right side. So inside, check the decoration from the door, from the cabin, this panel, they are plastic. The seat, it's a rubber one, soft. And so from the side, you will see we have this metal stepper, also this, and this plate. After you close, this stepper is covered, yeah. Here the sound of the metal, secured also by here inside this hinge is very exactly fine make, so they have the resistance to locking secured. And let's see forward, the metal cover open, and here that's the hinge for lifting the cabin, and here this front bumper bottom, this black one is plastic here. And let's check out from the right side. So mudguard plastic, rear side, this mudguard is all steel one. Now let's lift open the cabin, unlock. After open, we put 2S LiPo battery XT60 connection. From here, we have a rope holding the cabin, not tilting too much forward. And that's the 12-channel receiver, Fury Bear light and sound board. And here that's the power for the driving ESC, also for power on the system. Keep pressing, power off, short press, power on. Now it is powered on. So on there we have this all-metal gearbox. We have the shifting gear servo inside, and it's alloy housing inside steel gears. So now let's put in the battery back, cover back the cabin, wires put inside, lock it back. So inside the cabin, we have a big speaker at the rear side of the cabin. Start the sound, increase the volume. Brake. Locking the cabin back. Let's start the LED. LED circulating on and off. So now turning, no turning lights. Turning lights can be switched off. Switch on turning lights. Let's turn around to see rear side LED. Front to axle steering and very smooth. Full angle steering, you don't see any shaky. So that's a rear side light. Backward, forward, brake, and reverse steering. That's rising the bucket. This bucket rising is with a copper multi-level cylinder, and it is finely made with the piston and the seals. So when rising, even the bucket empty, when lowering, no jerky, no stuck, very smooth going down. Go up, smooth. Most importantly, now it's empty. Go back, drop it, also very smooth. Means the piston seals, it's finally made, not much resistance to stuck it. Yeah. Okay, so now after sit back, we will see the chassis details. turn around it. So actually on top, yeah, here we have one more plastic part. This bar is plastic, but these two shining horn is metal one. Now let's turn it around. So from side we have here decoration box. It's all metal one. Top alloy, bottom shiny steel one. And here this cover open. We can see rising a little bit, so it's blocking. So this cover open, that's the two servo. Forward servo for forward to axle differential lock. Rear servo for rear axle to axle differential lock. Alloy box, steel bottle decoration. All this steel mud guard. All the hubs, their rims, they are CNC alloy, and inside it's with steel gearbox for gear reduction, more drive and torque. Turning around. Yeah, so as we see, yeah, actually to see the girder, better we raising the bucket to the top. We have two girder. At the bottom, that's the main girder from front bumper to rear bumper. At the top, we have this auxiliary girder. That's for mounting the pump and the cylinder. So all these girders, they are all steel one, very tough. Turning around. So here actually we have more to see. The cylinder actually it's no valve because the cylinder only one hose coming from bottom. So the pump here on the pump you have the pressure valve on the pump body. This pump is two direction turning. One direction supply oil rising, another direction reverse suction oil out from cylinder for lowering. So under the bucket, yeah, it's all steel one. This bucket, that's the locking. Pressing on the chassis girder, locking the rear side door. And from forward, we can see the gearbox. So output on top, directly, this CVD steel drive shaft go to the transfer case leading to forward and back. Here, that's the pin for shifting gear. Now forward, low speed. Pushing out, that's high speed. Shifting low, engage, slow drive, engage the gear. Turning around, let's see. So for all the four axles, they are CNC alloy housing, inside steel gears, steel shaft. Now all four axles at differential. Brake. So for each axle, we have the differential lock. For example, 2 for forward here. Locking by one servo, locking it. Now it is locked. Forward will be locking. And the rear side here, check. Now we will lock it. Lock. And now will be 8x8. Front unlock, rear unlock, now at differential. So checking from the hub, yeah. Here we have the round plate. It's a steel one. Inside it's the steel gears. Also for rear side, that's a gearbox for speed reduction and more torque for drive. And for the front steering, let's check from here. That's the steering servo connecting bar for steering. This steering is very powerful. On the ground, no driver, it can steer smoothly. Even I press a little bit, it's very powerful and reasonable, very good structure for high torque turning for steering. Drop it. Slow drive, very smooth. Slow down, very slow. Have the gearbox reduction, have the hubs reduction, slow drive and high torque, speed up. At full steering, no shaking the body at all. Means the safety drive shaft, steering, they are very smooth, no jerky, speed up. Now I will shifting to show you the speed. That's fully backward at low speed. And full ahead. That's at low speed. Now, at high speed, fully ahead. It's a short way. Let's try again. I will punch into the bulldozer. And reverse. Let's travel around. Thank you for watching this all metal hydraulic dumper with metal main cabin. I will bring you more fun. See you.